Alright guys, so this is just a quick video just to show you how to get a full screen. If you noticed, the screen leans to the right, doesn't get that full screen. On the edge right here, it's cut off. It's probably off by like half a centimeter or so. And if you go to zoom, you see the top, it's still cut off, right? But over here it goes all the way to the edge. So how do we fix that, right? Okay, this is how you do it. So just get out. All right, so what you do is just go to settings. Okay, settings, oops, display, scroll down, look for full screen apps, click on that, and then go to camera cutout right there, and look for Prime Video. Alright, Prime Video, and right now it's actually by default it'll say app default. I put on hide camera cutout just to show you, but you should put it on show camera cutout. Show camera cutout, alright? Now we'll just go back. I'll play the, where's it at? Okay. Okay, now it goes all the way to the edge, as you can see, right? And if I full screen it, zoom, boom, full screen. That's it.